Welcome back, family, to another episode of Uniquely Tay. I am taking on the challenge of making a side table for the living room. And right now, I have already pre-mod podge my sign to my circle clear serving tray. So I'm using a circle clear serving tray as my top part of my side table. All right, everybody. I am using this wire, decorative wire from Walmart that I got a couple of years ago. It is a green wire that we use for our wreaths and for our garland during Christmas. So I'm using that to attach the two wire trash bins to each other. And you can also use zip ties if you do not have this wire. Try your best to hide your wire or your zip ties that you're using for this project so that it won't be noticeable to the eye. I do not recommend to use hot glue for this particular step because it's super messy. Now, family, I am about to apply the top part to my table. Right now, I'm applying some E6000 glue around this circle base trash bin. And I'm also going to use hot glue. I'm going to have to use hot glue to apply the top surface to my table because that's the only way I'm going to be able to mend it to get a secure bond. So I'm holding pressure until I feel like the hot glue has dried. This is the finished product, family. I had two minor changes. Instead of using a double circle serving tray, I only used one, and I also added white flowers on the inside of the basket to just give it a nice spring and summer look. I really loved how it turned out. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this episode. Have a great day.